What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to Oracle SQL Plus. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, SSH, that's my number, you should put in your number, ssh.dmu.ac.uk, and then the password, which is, can't say it, this is my password. Okay, and now I need SSH again, at 10.254.254.71. Okay, we are now in. We have connected to the Oracle SQL Plus, the Morse server. Okay. Now I need to do cd, but before we do that, ls minus or ls. Cd tilde ctech 2701 SQL slash. Alright, there you go. So now it says you should successfully have logged on to your Oracle and see the SQL prompt. That's how you sign on to your or connect to your Oracle SQL Plus connection. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorials of databasing and programming within SQL and whatever. Thanks for now.